Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. Today we're going to be trying out another fun beauty product, which I'm really excited for this one. As you can probably tell from the title, I'm going to be trying a lip mask. So freaking excited for this. If you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below, and let's get started with this video. This lip mask is from Jean-Pierre Cosmetics, and going to the website almost looks a little dated, or else it's maybe because it appears that it's not really like a functioning website, in my opinion. I do not know where I got this. I may have picked it up in a random beauty box once. I was cleaning out my makeup just to get rid of some stuff, and I came across this and I thought, first of all, what is this? Second of all, I need to try this. I did a little bit of research on this puppy, and it turns out that these actually come in a pack of 5, and they are a collagen lip mask. So it's a gel lip mask that is supposed to repair damaged lips, like repair and replenish damaged lips. It claims that it has vitamins, collagen, and minerals in it, which is supposed to make your lips feel great, and apparently is supposed to make your lips appear a little bit plumper as well. Boy, he's always here with me. He's my best friend. We can't help it. We don't like to be apart. We always like to be together, so he's gonna hang out with us. You're a little baby boy. So I'm looking up online right now, and some of the benefits are supposed to be anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, moisturizing, hydrating. It's supposed to stimulate and regenerates cellular repair. Essentially, it's supposed to plump up your lips and make them look sexier. I'm reading the ingredients, and there are a ton of really great ingredients here. There is soy protein, there is vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B3, a ton of different oils. So rose essential oil, there's also Vaseline, grapeseed extract. There's a ton of great stuff. So I'm really excited to put this on my lips and see what happens. Apparently it is also supposed to increase elasticity, combat free radicals, and improve skin elasticity as well. So without further ado, let's remove my lipstick so we can pop this guy on. All right, so let's go ahead and open this guy up. Ooh, it's hard. So it seems to be in like a little tray, and it is like a jelly consistency. It's so neat. Oh, I cannot wait to put this on. So there aren't really instructions that I have of how to use this. This is like the one thing I did find online, because on the packaging there's no instructions. So I'm gonna try and like pop this on my lips from the tray and hope for the best. I hope. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to talk once I have this on, so I think I'm gonna leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on if it's gonna be sliding or what have you. I'll keep you updated. So let's go. Well, that doesn't work. Alrighty, this is so fun. Let's pop her on. Okay, there we go. It's applied. Oh my god. Okay, I might have it upside down, but it's not sticking very well. So I'm gonna wait 5 minutes, okay? Okay, I'm back. It's been on for like 7 minutes, and it's so hard to talk because air gets in this, so I'm gonna feel it off. And here it is. You know what this feels like? You know those like hands that you like throw at something and it sticks to it? I'm just gonna pop a gloss right on top of there. This is like pretty much just like a nude shade. it already broke in half. My overall thoughts on this is I think this was a complete waste of my time. My lips do feel a little bit almost like tingling, or like something was penetrated there, but it almost kept falling off. Like it wasn't sticking to my skin enough. Like it was almost not jelly enough to stick and stay. So I felt like I was very distracted with trying to make it stay, which really I think is inhibiting my like love for this product, because I think it's a really cute and fun and like very Instagram worthy idea. But I don't know. Do my lips feel more hydrated right off the bat? No, but I did read that someone from 17, she did it, and then throughout the day her lips felt better throughout the day. So I mean, I guess we'll see, but for right now, instant results, not really. I don't know, guys. I don't know about this. I think that this, I don't know. I think it's a waste of money, to be honest. And I don't know what I was expecting. I think I was expecting it to actually work. My lips don't look plumper or feel plumper. What a disappointment. I'm so upset. Anyway, what a fail. So no thank you, Jean-Pierre Cosmetics. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any requests for any videos, make sure you leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Do you want to say bye to boy? Boy, say bye. Oh yes. No, we're saying goodbye. We're not saying hello, we're saying goodbye. We're saying goodbye. Okay? Yeah, boy. Look at these clean little toes.